Right, just last video of the day before it gets too dark. So we've had Range Rover L460 in with us. We've done our signature dash cam and battery pack. Our go-to products are the Blackvue models. This particular one is the 970X LTE 2-channel, and we've also paired that with the Neo 8 Plus battery pack, which will give you longer recording times in parking mode. So I'll just quickly show you what we do here at TTW Installations. As I say, we're not scared to show any of our install here with the fancy zoom ins and things. We just show it as it is. So this is your front camera. Obviously from a driver's perspective, this will be concealed, but then we've also managed to just get the cables just going up nicely into the binnacle in there. So all in all, there's not really much visibility for the wiring connection for this particular camera. And then in the rear, just pop the boot. So on this particular one, even though this is the L460 and not the sport version, we still can get the camera here up at the top. You can have it down at the bottom area, but on this particular one we decided to have this up at the top. I apologise if it's a bit dark. Let me just adjust the contrast a bit. So yeah, so basically camera's here all the way around the edge of the frame here, which obviously it's a bonded frame on these, so but we're still able to hide the cabling. And then on this one we've concealed the battery pack, which is just literally under this section here. So yes, if you're interested in the latest generation Blackvue cameras with extended parking mode and full cloud connectivity, then please get in touch with us here at TTW Installations. We specialise in a lot of JLR vehicles, as well as obviously Defenders, but obviously Range Rovers as well. So there's nothing we don't really know about these when we're installing aftermarket accessories. So yes, if you'd like to get in touch, we'll be very happy to help.